My name is Priyesh Patel. I came from UK and I have a symptoms about regarding my coughing, dry coughing, and has been diagnosed since long. And I came to in India and to meet the Dr. Nil Patel. I explained to the regard my symptoms, and the day one Dr. Nil Patel has been started treatment. In within 4 days, my symptoms has been improvement, and I am very pleased to this say that Dr. Nil Patel has been very friendly, politely explained all my symptoms and treatment, and absolutely brilliant service, including the staff members are very politely, friendly, and very helpful as well. So I recommend to these hospitals and the staff and doctors to any symptoms of any regarding health issue, please come and visit, and it will be help you for your health improvement.